Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore attributes in Oblivion Remastered. So to be able to do this, you're going to firstly travel to any town that actually has a major skill, so any town. So I've actually traveled to Bravil here because this one has a major skill building. But basically, as you can see, this is the Imperial City and I just traveled to Bravil right here. So you can quickly travel right here and then you should be taken here. Now you're just going to look for the chapel right here and just run towards it. We're not going to enter the chapel itself, but the mage's guild is just next to it. So it's just easy to orientate like this in my opinion. So here is the mage's guild. As you can see, it has like an eye logo or an eye icon right here that you can see. So I can just actually show you. So here it is. You're going to enter it and you have to enter it in daytime, just so you know. So you cannot enter it like when it's dark or whatever because they will be sleeping, but you're going to talk with this girl right here.
Yes?
And she's going to sell you, so you're going to click on
Any
bartering, then
quality
scroll
goods for
down.
sale.
You can see she has a
What
bunch
can I
of
interest you
potions in
in?
here. So for example, strong potion of healing here, we can buy this one. And you can just check which you need, basically agility, dedication. She has a bunch of those ones right here that you can buy. Then they will be added to your inventory and you can use it to restore your attributes. So this is basically exactly how to do this.